See children, so in this we have form opposite words by adding un or in. So for these words we could add un, un or in. So by adding that we should get negative word, opposite word before the following words. So for these words we should add either un or in, whichever possible. Okay. So now see this one, kind. Kind opposite, what can we write? Unkind or inkind? Un or in? Yes, very good. Un. So then what can we write the answer? Unkind. Kind, unkind. Okay. And see the second one, what do we have? Rest. So rest opposite? Unrest. Unrest or in rest? Here we have unrest, not in rest. And justice. So justice. And for that opposite word, yes, good. Injustice. And correct. This is correct answer. This is incorrect answer. If it is correct, correct. If it is wrong, we should say incorrect answer. And happy. I am happy, but she is unhappy. She is unhappy, not unhappy, that is unhappy. Suitable. So for this also unsuitable. The dress is suitable to you, but this is not. This is unsuitable. Not suitable, we can call it unsuitable. Opposite word. Okay. Kind, unkind. Rest, unrest. Justice, injustice. Correct, incorrect. Happy, unhappy. Suitable, unsuitable. Okay children. Let's see the next one. See children. So in this we have correct the spellings of the following words. So here they have given wrong spellings, wrong words. For that we should write correct spellings here. What are those? Pronunciation we get same, but spelling some letters missed. That we should write. What is this first one? W-O-R-Y. Do we have? What can you say this one? Worry. Right? But what is worry spelling? W-O-R-R-Y. Right? That we should write it. W-O-R-R-Y. Worry. And see this one, C-O-R-E-C-T. We can call correct, but spelling is right? No. What is the correct one? Yes, correct spelling C-O-R-R-E-C-T. Correct. And see the next one, cottage, but spelling is correct? No. What is that? Very good, very good. C-O-T-T-A-G-E. Cottage. And here, hesitation. Hesitation means here, yes, shun, T-mazed. So, hesitation. H-E-S-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Hesitation. And next one, yes, delicious, but spelling D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. Delicious. And next one, understood or understood. Understood. So spelling U-N-D-E-R-S-T-O-O-D. U-N-D-E-R-S-T-O-O-D. Understood. Okay children. So read out all the spellings again. Then we can see next topic. Yes, see children, so here we have find antonym of the word from the word box. So here word box they have given, for this antonym we should take it and complete the crossword puzzle. Here crossword puzzle is there, we should complete this. So whatever the antonym words also they have given, we should choose from that, we should find it from that. Okay ma'am. So now see this one, what is the first one? Here you can understand across, down. Across means like this we get it. Down means like this we should get it. So here one, here like this, that's why across. Two here for the down, that's why like this. Okay. So across, one. So one is like this and that means we should see in the across. What do we have? Fast. So fast opposite, you are running very fast, but the tortoise is running very slow, right? Slowly. Then fast opposite, slow. Where do we have here? Here. So right answer, slow. Okay, like this. And see the second one, what do we have? To the down. Down, what is the second one? Dark. Dark. So here dark opposite, it's very dark. That's why we should switch on light. So light here. Then write light here. L-I-G-H-T. Okay, children. And see the next one. Third one also down. So in the third one down, see open. Open, and we should opposite it is close. Closed. So answer closed. Sorry, close. C-L-O-S-E. Close. Open, close. Opened if they give, we should write closed. But open means close. Next one, fourth one across. Here where do we have? Back. 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 Opposite, front. So do we have here? Yes, front. Then write front here. F-R-O-N-T. Front. Understood how to fill the cross puzzles? Yes. See the next one, fifth one again, across. So what do we have? Fifth one, late. So you are too late. So tomorrow onwards you must come early. Right. So where do we have? Late, early. E-A-R-L-Y. Okay, children. And see the sixth one again down. So what do we have down? Old. So your grandfather is very old, but you are very young. Young. So young. Old, opposite, young. Okay. See the next one again, seventh one also down. What do we have? Hot. It's very hot. So then we can switch on the AC, then it become very cold. Hot, cold. So C-O-L-D. Okay, children. And see the next one, eighth across. Up. Up and opposite, down. Down. Yes, here we have down. D-O-W-N. Up, down. Okay. Like this we should fill the crossword puzzles. Even in the newspapers also we get. So Sunday magazines we get. Practice this. Okay, children. Let's see the next topic. Yes, see children. So here find the new words from the following words given below. We should find new words. How many? Each one two words we need to find it. Each one two words we need to find it here. So from each word two words we should find it. What are those? See the first one, hesitation. Hesitation. What can we find in this first one? Hesitation, if we take it here, yes, first you can find it. Very easy one. Sit. Understood how to find it? In this another two new words we get it. Sit. And one more, what do we have? At. Sit, at. Sit, at. And next one here, teacher. Teacher. So here teach, each, T also we can take. Okay. So now I am writing to teach, each. T also you can write. T also you can write. Next one, scold. Scold. What can we write? Cold, old. Cold, old. Okay. Next one, inspector. Inspector. Right. What can we write? Inspect. Right. Inspect. So write that one. Inspector. Spectre. So spectre, in. Two words we can write. And charted. Charted. What can we write? Chart, hat. Chart, hat. Yes, very good. Yet also we can write. Yet also we can write. Okay, children. So let's see the next one. See children, here we have write the rhyming words for the following words. So for this word, rhyming word. You know rhyming words? Yes, last classes we have discussed. So the end of the word gives same sound. Two words ending gives same sound. Right? So now here around is there. Around, round. Right? So ground. Around, ground. Both are giving the same sound. Twinkle, wrinkle. Twinkle, wrinkle. Right? And seed. So that then we can write seed, speed. Seed, speed. Right, children? And sow. Sow. You can write, yes, grow, row. Your simple word row I am writing. Grow, row, that we can write. One, O-N-E, one, bun. Spellings different but pronunciation same. One, bun. Okay. And next one, last one, what do we have? Tree, knee. Tree, knee. So for this, E sounds. Okay. Around, ground. Twinkle, wrinkle. Seed, speed. Sow, row. One, bun. Tree, knee. Okay, children. Let's see the next one. Yes, see children. So next we have, it's a creative fun. Creative fun. What do we have? Recognize the person in the picture. Yes, who is there? Write the name and write about him. Who is there? Whose picture is it? Very good. Mahatma Gandhi. Right? Mahatma Gandhi. Full name? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Right? So, father of our nation also. So, write some sentences about it. So, what are those? The picture is of Mahatma Gandhi. The picture is of Mahatma Gandhi. Write it in your book. The picture is of Mahatma Gandhi. He is also known as father of nation. He is also known as father of nation. He was the leader of the Indian independence movement against British colonial rule. Okay, he was the leader of the Indian independence movement against British colonial rule. Okay, he was born on 2nd October 1869 into a Gujarati Hindi family in Porbandar. He was born on 2nd October 1869 into a Gujarati Hindu family in Porbandar. Mahatma Gandhi was nominated 5 times of the Nobel Peace Prize. Mahatma Gandhi was nominated 5 times for the Nobel Peace Prize. How great it is. Okay, these few sentences you can write about Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, children. And see the last topic in this lesson, that is life skills. What do we have? Cheating is a bad habit. So, we should not cheat in any situation. We cannot cheat anyone. If you are in the place of Gandhiji, take what would you have done? So, what would have you done? Tick that one, remaining you leave it. What are those 4 they have given? You had cheated and written all the words correctly. If you are in the Mahatma Gandhi place, do you cheat and write all the answers correctly? No, you are also honest like Gandhi. Yes, okay, good. You had behaved in the same manner as Mohan. How Mohan behaved the same way do you behave it? Yes, wow, very good. So, tick that one. And you had replied your teacher rudely. Do you reply your teacher rudely? No. Yes? No. Good. So, leave that one. And you had not cheated but repented later for not cheating. So, first you didn't cheat, but later you feel or you think about, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't cheat. If it is cheated, I can get good marks like that. Do you think? No. Yes, then leave that one. Only one quality accept. Okay. For the honesty is the best one. Okay, children. So this is our this lesson. Honesty is the best one. Next we can do the poem.